friends, I'm Jonathan, and I officially want to welcome you to the Out and About with Jonathan community. My goals with this channel is to build a space where people who love adventure, discovery, and travel could come together. A place where we can inspire each other, share stories, and see the world from different perspectives. Here, you'll find videos that highlight everything from hidden beaches and small towns to vibrant destinations and breathtaking landscapes. What makes this community truly special isn't just the places we see, it's the conversations we have, the ideas we share, and the connections we make. That's why I'd love for you to be a part of the journey and more than just watching. Tell me in the comments where you're from, your favorite travel memories, or even where you'd like me to explore next. I want your voices to help shape the channel, whether you've been traveling for years or you're just starting to dream about your next trip. You belong here. Together, we'll swap stories, celebrate different cultures, and hopefully inspire each other to step outside, see new places, and enjoy the adventure that's all around us. Thank you for being here. It truly means a lot. I'm excited to get to know you and can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Welcome to the Out and About with Jonathan community. Let's explore the world together.